Hey Nash, what should we make?
I saw this video on the TikToks where they made a Danish with strawberry preserves and puff pastry. Let's add cream cheese and make like a strawberry cheesecake Danish thingy.
We don't usually make desserts, but all right. Let's make strawberry cheesecake Danishes. Today, we're gonna make a dessert. I know we don't do that very often here, but this one, it's gonna be super easy. We're making like a strawberry cheesecake kind of Danish deal. It's gonna be strawberry and cream cheese, some puff pastry. It's gonna be good, and like I said, super duper easy. So if you need to bring some dessert type thing to a gathering, a party, or just to serve, this is a good one for you because it's, like I said, super easy, comes together real quick. So hey, without further ado, let's go. All right, so for this recipe, we start with 2 sheets of puff pastry. I'm just gonna roll it out a little bit, mainly just to smooth it out. A floured surface would probably help, but. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put cream cheese on one, strawberry preserves on the other, put them together like a sandwich, cut them into strips, twist them, roll them, bake them. So I'm using whipped cream cheese. It's just easier to work with for this type of thing, but regular cream cheese would work too. So we don't want like a crazy thick layer, but we do want coverage over the whole thing. I feel like I'm doing a plaster job here. Set this guy aside. So we're gonna do the same thing with this guy, roll him out a little bit. And then I have some strawberry preserves here, but you could use whatever flavor you want. I just thought like a strawberry cheesecake sounded kind of good. You don't need a super thick layer because we don't want it like, it'll just end up oozing out the sides, and we don't want that. Make sure and make a big mess. That's what we like to do here. All right, and then we just take this guy. Let's see if I can make this work. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. You want to preheat your oven to 400, and then we're gonna cut these guys into strips like this. I'm using a pizza cutter. You could use a knife. I'm gonna do 12. And then you're gonna take each one of these and then just twist them like this and then roll them up like that. And then this goes on a parchment paper lined deal. Sheet pan, that's the word I was looking for. Just gets messier as we go. Then we gotta make an egg wash, so I'm gonna take 1 egg. And about a tablespoon of milk. Then we're just gonna brush these guys with our egg wash. It's kind of like an egg strawberry wash. To finish this off, you got 2 options. You could, if you have some nice like big granular sugar, like the turbinado sugar, you could sprinkle that on before you cook it. Or what we're gonna do is actually sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on these right after they're out of the oven. So, and we're just gonna put this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they get nice and golden brown. Once our guys are out of the oven and cooled a little bit, just gonna take a little bit of powdered sugar. And now they're ready to serve. And there are our little strawberry cheese Danishes, or strawberry cheesecake Danishes. Super easy to make, and I'm guessing delicious. Time for a bite. Cheers. I got powdered sugar all over me. They're super delicious, buttery, flaky. You get just a little bit of that, a little bit of the strawberry, a little bit of the cheese. So yeah, it's like a little strawberry cheesecake Danish. Delicious and so easy to make. You might get a little messy. You might get covered in powdered sugar, but that's okay because it's worth it. But yeah, super easy to make a bunch of them, serve them at a party, at your house for dessert, give them to your kids, whatever. You do you. But hey, speaking of kids, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing? We got these little strawberry cheesecake Danishes you wanted. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Yum. Sweet deliciousness. Give me a few more and I'll be bouncing off the walls all night. Midnight parkour for sure.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Clothes do not make the man. That's why I don't wear any, except for my cool and sometimes festive bandanas.
Nash approves, I approve, super delicious, super duper easy to make. And for those of you who like a little bit of sweet, but not like too much sweet, because that's kind of where I fall, these are perfect because they're not that sweet. They're just sweet enough. And then if someone else wants it sweeter, you just add more powdered sugar. I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would help us out. That would mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments, or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Happy holidays and a happy new year. Until next time, peace.